Hello friends, it's time to draw the king of the jungle. Yes, we are talking about the lion. We are going to make a lion in just few simple steps. You can just pause the video if you find any confusion and anywhere. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 6 to 8. We are filling it with somewhat yellow and the orange colors. Now we will be making a beautiful dog. It may look like a pet dog in just few simple steps. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 11. See how it's just playing with its tongue. This looks so nice. We will fill it with yellow color. Elephants are big and the giant animals. Today we are going to make a king elephant, and we know this is a king elephant just because it has a crown on its head. See how cute its trunk looks, and we will make this one. This activity is very simple and it's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10. Fill it with some of your favorite colors. We are here using the pencil colors. Shark is a water animal and it has very sharp teeth. Today we are going to make a shark. It's a carnivorous animal, that is, it loves to eat the meat. So let's try to make this dangerous creature and see how we are creating its teeth. This one is so good and nice. It's best suitable for the small kids. Chicks are so cute and innocent. Today we are going to make an innocent chick in just few easy simple steps. This activity is suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9. This is so good. You can make use of the pencil first. After that you can highlight the outlines using the black sketch marker like we are doing here. Fill it with the yellow color. This looks so nice. We are using the sketch pens. You can use the same. From these shapes, that's a square, triangle and a circle, we are going to make the complete family. The square one represents the chick and the triangle one represents the hen and the circle one represents the cock. This one is so good and easy. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9. Fill it with some bright colors. We are using the sketch pens here. Next one is somewhat difficult, but it's actually not difficult if you will try to follow all these steps carefully that are shown in this video. We are going to make a butterfly and the paw of any cat or any animal that's just trying to attack this cute little butterfly. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 11. Just add some bright colors to the butterfly so that it will look much attractive. Let's try to make an animated boy in just few easy simple steps. Difficulty level for this one is somewhat medium and it's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 11. You just need to follow all these steps carefully. Once you're done, then you need to fill it with some of the bright colors. Don't forget to add the tint, the pinkish in color around the cheeks area. This looks so good and easy. Just give it a try. See how cute this animated boy looks like. It's less time consuming. Usually rabbits are pinkish white in color. Today we are going to make a rabbit that's having a ride on its sledge in the snow. This one is so full of fun and it's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10. See how beautifully we are going to make this, and we are going to show you some of the tint pinkish in color around the cheeks of this rabbit. This one is so good. Fairies are found in some of the cartoons and in some of the stories. Today we are going to make a small little fairy with its wings that are so wide. Just try to trace it down in just easy simple steps. Fill it with some of the colors like we are here using. We have made the pink wings. Just try to draw this one. Now we are going to trace down the hand with the symbol of the victory as it's shown on your screens. This one is very simple and easy. You may find it difficult when you will look at it, but it's so simple and actual. And today we are going to make it in just few easy simple steps. Thank you for watching.